Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix final warning in 8 pool. Did you receive a final warning in 8 pool? This means the game detected suspicious activity on your account, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. First, you need to know why this is happening. A final warning usually may appear if the game detects using modes or cheat tools, playing on rooted device, using VPN or third-party apps. The game is managed by Miniclip and they monitor fair play. So the first step is make sure your internet is working or not. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then turn it on, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, then turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. After doing that, the second step is stop using modes. Remove any modes or hacked version of it will Pro immediately. Install the app officially version from Google Play Store or App Store. Then another step is secure your account. Link your account to Facebook or other login method. And the another step is check your contact support. If you think the warning is mistake, contact Miniclip support and explain your issues. For the contact support, open the game, then go to your profile or click on setting. Then here you will see the option of many options. Then go to help and support, click contact us. So after doing that, if you think the warning is mistake, then contact Miniclip support and explain your issues. So that's it. These are the best way to fix the app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.